First, access the EU JAMRI 2 website through your browser. Next, go to the Training and Education section and scroll down to the AMR in the Environment section. Once there, access the digital tool by clicking on the blue box. At the top, you will find a summary with a description of the tool. Further down, you can start using it to select the innovative training methodology that best fits your objectives and available resources. You can learn more about specific methodologies by typing their name directly into the quick keyword search bar. If not, and you prefer the tool to suggest methodologies based on certain criteria, expand the advanced search using the filter system. You'll be able to filter based on different criteria such as the target audience, learning modality, training environment, etc. Before selecting an option, you can check its definition by clicking the question mark icon to the right of it. Once you finish selecting your filters, the tool will return the recommended methodologies based on those criteria. Click on the name of a methodology to access its step-by-step implementation guide. You will find a table of contents on the right to help you navigate the content. The step-by-step guide includes a clear planning outline for the selected activity, a description of the relevant participant roles, recommended evaluation methods, and a prototype that serves as an inspirational example of this type of activity in the context of antimicrobial stewardship. It also includes a summary of the scientific literature that supports the content. If you wish, you can easily download the guide by clicking the button in the top right corner to save it as a PDF on your computer. On behalf of EU JAMRI 2, we hope this tool inspires and supports you in delivering meaningful training interventions that advance antimicrobial stewardship and contribute to long-lasting impact within this joint action and beyond.